Alright guys, welcome back to some more of my crazy projects. As you know from my previous videos, I found a way to turn this into an FPV camera that I plan on attaching to my old drift car and possibly use that to make some more interesting videos and so on and so forth. One of the big struggles that I'm having is, if you guys remember, I was trying to record videos off its original remote, and that was giving me some errors when it comes to actually being able to read the micro SD card that goes in here directly on the laptop. So that's another thing that I'm going to have to figure out how to do, but so far it's looking pretty good. I'm going to be able to put this on here and then drive this car around and get some FPV, hopefully some FPV recordings, even if I have to record it directly from a camera and watching the screen. I guess there's always a way, right? There's always a compromise, a way to get around a problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe and try to be half glass full kind of people like me. See you in the next one.